the reason why we're doing this cultural and leadership pageant is to inspire young girls, you know, to become involved in leadership. We want to see more female senators. We want to see more female, we even want to see a female governor and a female president if possible. But you know, we have to groom them from the beginning, and His Majesty is at the forefront. His Majesty Pageant Ooni Ogunwusi is at the forefront of using the story of Moremi to inspire young women to go into leadership, to take up more leadership roles. He uses it to support the rights of the girl child in Nigeria, you know, making sure that young girls get education, inspiring young women to go into female leadership, and at the same time celebrating women, you know, who have broken barriers in their various industries. Anyone that hasn't been chosen, it doesn't mean you are not a leader. You have taken that bold step, you know, you registered and you came for the auditions. So that alone, you know, just because you haven't been chosen does not mean you can't become a leader. Like I said, it's all about promoting leadership among young women. You know, in Nigeria, in Africa, and even in the world globally, women are always told that, you know, you're limited in what you can think, you're meant to be limited in your dreams, you're meant to be limited in your aspirations. But here, what we're doing with the QMA initiative is we're trying to change that narrative. You know, we're trying to let the world know that as a woman, you can be a mother, you can still be a leader as well. And that is the whole reason why we're doing the QMA initiative. And His Majesty and our patron as well, Chief Mrs. Olufunso Amosun, year in, year out, support this initiative. You know, whoever wins, the young girl who wins gets a car. She gets 1 million naira cash, and also the runner-ups as well. The lady who comes second gets 750,000. The one who comes third gets 500,000. So there are endless opportunities for them. Activities put in place, registrations. We do a lot of marketing promotion because we want young girls, not just from Nigeria, but from across the globe. Because as we all know, the Yoruba culture, the Yoruba nation expands beyond Nigeria. We have Brazil, we have Cuba, we have the Caribbean, we have Trinidad and Tobago. So it's not just we're not limiting it to just Nigerian or Yoruba girls in Nigeria, but Yoruba girls across the globe. So we prepared for it, and as you can see, they've come for the auditions today. After the auditions, we're going to choose the best 25, and then we put them in a boot camp. They stay in boot camp for about 10 days, where we task them with various activities, you know, leadership skills, cultural skills as well. They go on excursions, and then after that there's an eviction as well. We have a few evictions, yes, where we evict some of the girls.